Hello guys, welcome to another YouTube video from my channel. This is your guy and your trusted website developer, your tech guru Sagacious Tech. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to activate SSL on your website. There are some people that their website is showing site not secured. So how can you be able to activate SSL on your Cpanel? For example, let's give an example of a website that is not secured or that is showing not secured. I just got a domain and the domain is techguru.online. As you can see, it's showing that your connection is not private, and at the top here is showing not secured. Now when you visit a secured website, it's going to show you a padlock at the top here. There will be no warning message like this. These are warning messages, and these messages can serve as hindrance to your website visitor, because it will tell your website visitors that this particular site you are trying to visit is not secured. That means that your data that you entered on this platform, they are not secure. They are not guaranteed that your data are private and they are secured with you. So let's look at the meaning of SSL. What is the meaning of SSL? Now the word SSL in this context of website, SSL stands for Secure Socket Layer. Secure Socket Layer. It's a secure protocol that encrypts the communication between a web browser and a web server. Now it says this encryption ensures that data transmitted between the two is protected, making it difficult for unauthorized parties to intercept or view sensitive information like password or credit card details. Now what this actually means is that your entire website, your details that you submit to this website is secure. That means there are some websites you enter your email, you enter your password, sometimes you make payments, you put your credit card details, you put your personal information. Now if a site is not showing secure, like as you can see, Google is showing this padlock. There's a padlock here in Google. There's a padlock. Now if I click on this padlock, it will show connection is what? Secured. If I view more, say your information, for example password or credit card number, is private when it is sent. That means that no one can be able to intercede or intercept your information to gain access to your information so that they can't use it against you or defraud you. So any website that is not showing secured simply means that informations on that system, informations on that website can be accessed. Any information that you put can be accessed by a third party, and the third party can be a hacker in the system or an external or internal hacker. So now if that is being understood clearly, you can see more information. HTTPS stands for a hypertext protocol that is secured, right? Now let's just see how you can be able to activate SSL on your account. Now I always like using Sagacious Tech for all my hosting. If this is your first time of watching this video and you are looking for a perfect and reliable hosting company, you can host all your websites with Sagacious Tech hosting company. Just type sagaciousteck.com. You can be able to see that you can make payments with bank transfer and other payment gateways. So I'm just quickly going to log into my account. I've already registered an account, so I'm just quickly going to the domain I recently bought. I'm just quickly going to gain access to it, and this is it, Tech Guru. I'll click on active, then I'll click on login to Cpanel. As you can see, the domain name, this is the domain name, is showing not secured. I'm using two tabs so that once I'm done with it, you can be able to see it. So it's showing not secure. That means informations are not what private. Now your connection to this site is not secured. You should not enter any sensitive information on this site. Now I want to activate SSL on it. Now what I will do, I'm into Cpanel. The first thing I need to do, and also see it in the Cpanel, is showing not what secure. First thing I need to do is to search for SSL status. I'll go to SSL status. I will ensure that everything on SSL status is showing green. Now as you can see, it's showing red. So everything on SSL status is showing red. Now let's make it green. For me to make it green, I will click and select highlight all, then I'll click on run auto SSL, run auto SSL. So I'm just going to be patient and wait while the auto SSL runs. Sometimes it takes 3 to 4 minutes or 5 minutes to run, depends on your network speed, and sometimes it takes seconds or 1 minute or thereabout to load and to run through the site securely. So I'm just going to wait for the SSL to be completed. Once it's completed, then I can be able to go to the next step of this SSL activation. Now you can see the short message that came up just now. It says SSL has been installed. Now you can see every one of them is showing green, from red now to green. So the next step I'm going to go to domain. I will go to domain, click on domain, right? Then I will toggle this first HTTPS redirect. So I will click on it, I will toggle it so it turns to what? Blue. You can see the pop-up success message. So once I've done this, I have successfully installed SSL on my account. So I'm still going to wait for like 5 to 10 minutes for the SSL to propagate alongside the domain name, because if I still search it, it may still tell me that it is not secured. So I'm going to wait for about 5 to 10 minutes for the SSL to propagate alongside with the domain, so that anywhere it's being searched on, it will be said to be what? To be secured. So let's just wait for another 5 to 10 minutes for the SSL to propagate alongside with the domain. Okay, now the long awaited wait is over. Now let's search for our domain name. So I can simply click on this to view the domain name. You can see it's now showing what? Secure. techguru.online is showing what? Secured. Connection is what? Secured. So it's showing 404 because there is nothing on this domain. So if you guys follow for more informations and tech informations on how to be able to become a successful web developer, see you in my next video. Until then, code well.